As a cooperative academy, we base our learning on a number of values which instill good social and ethical practice that reflects on our continued enthusiasm for learning. We continue to look for new ways of promoting this practice of sharing and collaborating, giving us more opportunities to learn. Technology is one of the tools that we use to inspire a creative approach to learning, and we'll share some of these tools with you now.
My Big Campus is an online social networking site for schools. We can join groups on the platform that teachers have set up for their classes to access resources for revision and work. We also use the assignment section of this site so we can complete and upload and gain feedback from our teachers. In essence, this is an educational Facebook. The My Big Campus platform ties into our college filtering systems, which then mean that our teachers can provide us with access to sites such as YouTube in a safe and controlled way. We have seen an increase in access to more websites and online material since the introduction of this filtering application. To increase anytime, anywhere access to learning, My Big Campus is also available as a mobile application for iPhone and Android devices.
Apps for Good is a project that is run through our Wicked Wednesday enrichment programme. This delivers a course which allows us to work as a project team developing a mobile application. As well as coming up with an original idea, our teams have had to design, develop, publicise and market their application.
We use YouTube as a big revision resource for us and people all over the world. It helps us to work both independently and cooperatively so that we can develop our work for publication to a global audience. Following the upload of some of our video resources, we have been contacted by authors who have given positive and stimulating feedback which inspire us to dive deeper into our learning. We use free tools such as Screencast-O-Matic to create and publish our work online. These web-based tools allow us to access ready-made resources and create our own anywhere we can get online.
Prezi is an online presentation tool that allows a more dynamic approach to deliver a topic. You're able to create a canvas of resources of all types, for example, videos, text, images, links, which are then all joined together by a pathway defined by the user. The path can easily be altered as the aim of the presentation changes and develops.
Google Docs is a free web-based office suite that allows us to work simultaneously with other users. This ability lets multiple people access the same document at the same time. We use Google Docs in tutorial and various other lessons with access to ICT hardware. Our teachers also send us assignments and classwork to complete where we can continue working with our cooperative groups remotely. In sharing a document, each member of a group has the opportunity to contribute and take ownership of a project. This ownership adds value to the entire learning process and has encouraged us to help each other cooperatively.
Working with all of these technologies has allowed us to take much greater ownership of our learning. We have begun to regularly access learning materials in written and video formats prior to arriving in a lesson. This ability to understand a little bit more about the subject beforehand means that we can have much deeper questions ready to challenge ideas. This flipping of the classroom is a really exciting concept that is growing in many subjects in our college.